Today's quick tip is on getting the most out of your split testing. So maybe you've got enough traffic that you want to start testing, but you want to make sure that you're getting the biggest bang for your buck in what you're testing. In that case, you're going to want to test big sweeping changes to get the most difference in conversion rate. So say you completely redesign your landing page, you redo all of the copy, or maybe you keep the same design, but you try a completely different approach with your copy, a different tone, a different voice, different things that you're highlighting. You're going to see the biggest overall effect because you're having the large change that people are going to have a larger reaction to. So don't test things like banners or test like small tweaks in headlines because you're probably not going to have enough traffic to ever get meaningful results from this. Instead, get large outsized results by testing large outsized changes. That's today's quick tip. Click through for more videos on increasing your conversion rate and click below to subscribe and ring the bell so that you get notifications whenever I put out new information on increasing your conversion rate.